In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Webflow developer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will help you navigate your journey into the world of Webflow. Let's begin by addressing the basics. Before diving into Webflow, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of fundamental web design and development principles. This includes getting comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages serve as the backbone of web design, providing the structure, style, and interactivity needed to create impressive sites. Webflow is a highly visual platform, which means having a keen eye for design is immensely beneficial. Concentrate on learning key design concepts: layout, typography, and color theory. These elements are vital for creating visually appealing websites that engage users. Study how these design principles are applied across the web to translate that knowledge effectively within Webflow. Once you're ready to dive into Webflow, your first stop should be the Webflow 101 course. It serves as an excellent introduction, walking you through the essentials of the platform. After completing the basics, continue your education with more advanced courses. The key here is immersion. Create personal projects, attempt to redesign some of your favorite websites, or follow along with tutorials to build your skills and confidence. Engaging with the Webflow community can also be invaluable. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and soak up insights from other experienced users. Understanding Webflow involves familiarizing yourself with its class system, an essential aspect for managing styles and layout with ease. Additionally, explore Webflow's CMS capabilities, which allow you to implement more complex functionalities within your projects. Both of these features provide you with the flexibility needed to craft unique and dynamic web experiences. Building a portfolio is another critical step in your journey. A well-organized portfolio is your best tool for showcasing your Webflow prowess. Highlight personal projects, redesigns, and even coursework that exemplifies your skills and creativity. Webflow offers expert certifications that can further validate your expertise, something to consider as you network and connect with professionals in the field. This step not only enhances your credibility, but also opens doors to exciting job opportunities. To thrive as a Webflow developer, commit to continuous learning. As the platform constantly evolves, staying updated on Webflow's latest features and updates is crucial. Immerse yourself in new technologies and trends. Doing so helps you remain ahead of the curve and continually improve your work. Embrace every opportunity to learn and experiment with new tools and techniques. By following these steps, you'll set yourself on the path to becoming a skilled Webflow developer, ready to create stunning dynamic websites that captivate users. Remember, practice and persistence are your best allies in mastering Webflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and I wish you all the best in your Webflow journey.